This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.
So tonight, I'm gonna do everything about it. So let's party! Good morning, everybody. Today is Friday and I'm going on a little road trip. I'm going on a girls trip to Houston. It's like, let's see, what time is it? It is 7:42. I have been awake since before the sun came up. Y'all know me, definitely an early bird. So I edited a video. Well, I finished editing a vlog, and now I am about to get ready to pack, take a shower and all of that, and then get on the road. It'll take me about 4 hours to get to Houston. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm really excited to go on this trip. It's gonna be myself and then Key, which is one of my internet friends, and she lives in Chicago, so she's flying from Chicago to Houston today. And then Trinity, which is also another one of my internet friends who lives in Ohio, and she's flying from Ohio to Houston as well. So this is our first time like actually meeting in person, but we've been like in a group chat with like, I don't know, it's probably like a total of like, well, it's probably like a total of like maybe 8 of us now, but initially it was like 10 plus. But anyway, so we just thought like, hey, let's plan a girls trip, like let's literally meet each other in person. So if you ever needed a sign to meet your internet friends, this is it. Yeah, so we just decided to like do a little girls trip, a little weekend trip. They tell me I'm the friend that's never at home, so I was like, well, you know, if y'all ever want to come to Texas, you know, just let me know. I don't know, I'm just really excited, and you know, girl time is always a good time. So yeah, I really need to get up and pack, but you know, I haven't unpacked my suitcase from when I came home from Texarkana, and I need to pack it now, but I'm just like, whatever. I really need to get a move on it though, because I still need to get breakfast, I need to get gas, and I need to get on the road. So let me start being productive.
I could give at least 10 fucks what a bitch say. And I love Ferrari doing 80 while I switch lanes. I was waiting on you down to 7-9 in Biscay. I was fucking with you, now the shit is getting risky. You don't need no help for no one just to come and go for 458, falling in it like a golf course. I just wanna love her, what she cost though. Can't believe she got me caught though, like a car though. From that nigga with the cash out of 40 stash though. Girl, I came up from the trap house, I took the fast route. Spending nights all in the band, oh, I had to stand low. And when I get home, no, I still did be your shit commando. I'm at the spot, I got you teasing and living reasoning why I can't get up and leave it. I know I needed it, beautiful, I plan a seed in it while I'm deep in it. Ain't no end in every ending, feeling like the beginning. Oh, I could give at least 10 fucks what a bitch say. And I love Ferrari doing 80 while I switch lanes. I was waiting on you down to 7-9 in Biscay. I was fucking with
Y'all, I feel so dumb right now. Like, I've been walking around for at least 5 minutes like, where the hell is my camera? I can't find my camera. Like, how am I gonna vlog my trip? I don't have my camera. Where is my camera? Whole time right in front of my face. But anyway, oh, come on. Do right, okay? Just do right. Okay, so I actually just had a meeting with my advisor. I was like cooking breakfast. I was trying to hurry up because I need to be getting ready to leave, like literally probably within the next 30 minutes. But damn, now I need a fork. Hold on. So anyways, I literally just had a meeting with my advisor. I am preparing to take classes for the fall or the summer and for the fall, and I just wanted to talk to him and see like if I was on the right track, making sure, like, I don't know, because with COVID, if you are in school right now, like, you understand, but school has been like hard as hell. And just to like to navigate and to talk to people and to just everything. So I just wanted to talk to him and like make sure that I was on the right path. And my degree plan for well, it said that my estimated like graduation date was like 2024, and I was like, oh hell no. So I wanted to like just talk to him. By the way, I'm eating breakfast tacos. I just made these like super quick. But anyway, so I just wanted to talk to him and like see if I was on the right track and all of that. So I got such good news. I'm so excited, which it's kind of just like confirmed, reaffirmed or whatever. I need to take a bite, y'all. I'm sorry. I just made breakfast potatoes, and then I just like scrambled up an egg or 2 eggs, and I put bacon in the microwave super quick. But I need to hurry up because like I said, I need to be leaving. Okay, so anyway, basically, I am on the right track to get everything done that I need to do, like all of my classes. He agreed with all of my classes. My GPA is great, like everything is good. And when I graduated with my when I graduated with my associates last year, I had a goal to be done by May of 2022. That was my goal. So he asked me, he's like, well, when are you planning to graduate? And I told him by May of next year, and he was like, that's actually good. You'll be like right on time, like if you kind of stay with the pace that you're going with right now. So with working full time and being in school and just living my life and trying to be happy and trying to make, you know, other people happy and stuff like that, I'm just really proud of myself and how far I've come, and just basically like sticking to the plan, I guess. So I picked like 3 classes for summer, which usually, I mean, like in the past I've done 4, so I really wasn't afraid. I really wasn't like, I'm really not like oh snap, it's gonna be too much as far as workload goes. But I have 3 classes for summer, which I really wanted 4, but 3 classes is fine. And then for the fall, I have 3 more classes. And then for the spring, I have only 2 classes right now, but I'll probably end up either with 1 more in the fall and then 2 more in the spring, or just like 1 more in the spring. I don't know. I haven't, obviously as time goes, like I'll be able to figure out like what else I need to take. When people drop classes, then stuff opens up, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys, like I'm super happy. That's like really good news. That made me feel so good, like to know that by this time next year I'll be done. And in a year, like so much can happen in a year, but like a year goes so freaking fast, because I feel like I was just taking pictures last year with my cousin when I was like getting my associate's degree. So I don't know, I'm just super happy about that. That makes me feel really happy. And I have like friends who are also psych majors. I'm a psychology major, if I didn't say that already. I don't think I've ever shared that on my channel, but yeah, I'm a psych major. And I've met some friends who are also psych majors, and So we have like a group chat or whatever, because I've met them in my classes and I'm like, oh, okay, we should take this class together. Like, so now there's just like a whole group chat. But anyways, I was just like telling them that I was talking to the advisor, whatever. We all have the same advisor, obviously. And I was telling them that I'm gonna be able to graduate. They're like, oh my God, I'm so happy for you. So, you know, your girl's gonna be a whole psych graduate out here. But anyway, we'll talk masters later. If I don't have a husband and a baby by next year, then masters, here I come, I guess. But anyways, let me finish my food, y'all, because I need to be like literally finished. I need to be like washing these dishes and walking out the door right now. But let me finish my food and I'm gonna catch y'all when I catch y'all. Y'all, I'm finally leaving out of Dallas and look at this traffic though. Like, excuse me? No, you cannot be serious. I mean, and it's been like this for miles. I just so happened to look over there like, dang. Literally, traffic going crazy. Like, oh my God. These people down here don't even know what they getting themselves into. I ain't gonna be able to do it. I'm glad I'm going the opposite way today. Hey y'all, so I just stopped at, I'm in Corsicana right now, and I just had to stop at like a gas station. I don't know why, but I've been feeling like sleepy. Actually, I do know why, because I've been up since like 4 something this morning, and normally this would be like about my lunchtime, so I would be like taking a nap or going to get something to eat or something. I got a Red Bull. I got the tropical kind. I don't even drink Red Bulls. Like, I really don't drink Red Bulls because one time when I was at SFA, I had got some Red Bulls just because I'd never really drank them. And I remember it was like the middle of the night and I didn't have anything else to drink. So I drank a Red Bull and I'm like, it's not giving me any energy. Like, I'm not feeling any different. Like, these Red Bulls don't really work. So then I drank another one, like, because I had like made a sandwich or something in the middle of the night. And you know, like when you're in your dorm room and you're like, that's like the only option you have. So I made a sandwich or whatever, and when I tell you I could not sleep the whole night. I had class at like 8 o'clock in the morning. I was awake till like 7:30, and then when 7:30 came, like, I was like, oh my God, I can't make it. So anyway, I got a yellow edition tropical Red Bull. Hopefully this keeps me up and it works. And then I also just grabbed some Sour Punch straws. I usually only get the blue kind, but I didn't see the blue kind in there, so I just grabbed these just to kind of have something to chew on, you know. But anyways, let's get back to it because I still have a ways to go, and yes, I'm ready, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so I just got to the hotel room, and this is like when you first walk in from the door. It's really cute in here. The bathroom, this is real cute. I just really wanted to show y'all this because I think this little cutout thing right here is so cute. Shower, toilet, and then you come out the bathroom, and then we have this huge mirror. This is the mirror that I need in my house. And then the 2 beds. This is super cute in here. It's cold as hell too. And then we have like a little chair over here, a little coffee station, and a TV. It might have been, mama, but that ain't what I was looking at. That's why I was asking you, like, is this it? Cause I still have to go downstairs and get my bag. I already been to the liquor store. I'm on the phone with my mom. Yeah, I just came back from the liquor store, so we about to There's no refrigerator. Yeah. I'm trying to find a refrigerator. Anyways, yeah, so I'm about to go get my bag from the car, or my suitcase. The refrigerator is inside of here. That's super crazy. But yeah, anyways, I'll catch up with y'all whenever Key and Trinity get here. They're on their way. So, be right back. They finally here, y'all. Drinks. Okay, so we got a wine glass, Patron.
Okay. Oh, yes.
A cocktail glass, or whiskey glass, Patron. Plastic cup, Patron. Okay, so we gotta do a cheers.
Yes, we do have to do
You
a
already
cheers.
drinking. She's like, I need a drink.
It's been a long day.
Okay, just a cheers, a quick little cheers, and then we can go.
Alrighty, cheers.
Cheers
to a great weekend.
For real. Woo.
Yes. Posted this. No, you're not.
No, for real. Not us in the group chat. Still texting each other.
Exactly,
We're right next to each other.
Right here. We still texting in the group chat.
Talking about I'm posting this. No, you're not.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Oh, y'all, we shouldn't go through right here. Is this even the right street?
I don't think so. Yeah, we just.
Wow. Watch your step now. Okay. It was so dark.
I think
Y'all gonna have to wait. Oh, no, it's that way. The music, yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Follow the music. Right.
Trini, I'm mad you didn't bring your bag. We could have definitely had a little matchy ESR moment.
Okay. I should have.
Okay, y'all, so we just got to Taste Bar and Kitchen or something like that. But there's like a line. I'll show y'all once we get up here. It's super dark.
Largest suitcase. Okay. To go on a weekend
Be right
trip.
back.
I'm disappointed.
Oh, he on the other side. He on the back side.
Is it really? Is that really your Snapchat for real?
When you pop up, after you type in Archie from 2 C's, you're gonna say Mr. Nice Guy. Okay. I am. I'm the nicest person you're probably gonna meet.
Adam Key.
Mr. Nice Guy? Okay.
Yeah.
How long y'all been waiting?
Too long. Yep, we are.
See, that's why.
No, I'm just playing. We not.
The key. Well, really, they trying to get all these people out the way. So that's why it looks so crowded right now. Once they see all them people, I guess they gonna probably.
Okay, great.
What is I don't have to answer this question because I know.
What is it?
Bro, you already said. Did you say it? Yes or no?
I said that.
Who said Austin? Which one of y'all said Austin? Okay, well, he already said it.
Oh, we was just trying to be sure. We was trying to be sure. We was trying to be sure.
Tell me what.
He was gonna take another lap on your ass. That's what he was gonna do.
Since you on the quiz, tell me what's the state flower? What's the state tree?
Take a lap.
Yes, Texas has a state tree and a state flower.
You know the state tree.
Yes, sir, I do. I'm asking you. It's the pecan tree.
Okay.
Tell me
Period.
what's the state
Period.
flower. Okay, you know the good about it.
Period. Okay.
You better know.
Okay, you better know it. You better know it.
Look, that's why you
Period. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all can hear me. So we got chicken because we haven't eaten all day. So we got these as an appetizer. It's really good. I got mac and cheese. I got lamb chops and I got yams. He got, what'd you get, Key? Seafood and grits. Seafood and grits. And then Trinity got shrimp and grits. oh, like, but from your neck. No. 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 I got it now, Key.
You got it.
Okay, so you gotta make your mouth like an O, but you gotta do your throat like you're blowing, like that. But don't make no noise, but just hold on. Let me see if I can do it again.
Try one more again.
I had to figure out like how to explain to you how to do it. Oh, let me give this to him. Ishmael. Okay, y'all, so we are at, let me get them out of my video. Look at that, let me get them out of my video. So if y'all come to Taste Bar and Kitchen, ask for Ishmael. He looked like an Alex, but his name is Ishmael. When he come back over here, I'm gonna tell him to say hey. Where you go? Come here, Alex.
Come here, Alex.
What was that other?
Like Alex, though.
He looks like an Alex. He definitely looks like an Alex. Our service was great. We did have a long wait, but our service was very great. And I don't know, our other friend, I don't know his name.
Right. And then the one at the door. Security man.
Trinity was calling him Simon. Why are we giving everybody names? Alonzo. I'm gonna ask him. Trinity, what was the guy's name outside? Alonzo?
Simon.
Exactly, Simon. Okay, so I guess he's not coming back. Okay, y'all, so this is Ishmael. When you come to Taste, ask for Ishmael.
Ishmael, the best server out here.
But he looks like Alex. But his name's Ishmael.
On the Taste, I get y'all a good time.
Exactly, that's on period. Oh, well, you know what? I think we weren't even recording.
I don't think so because the recording button was
Let's just try again.
Okay, Mr. Top Flight,
Yes, ma'am.
aka Simon, aka what's your real name?
Oh, my real name is Archie. That ain't my real name. That's what I tell people to call me. But I'm gonna tell people on now call me Archie. Shit.
Okay, but if they come here and they
Oh, you gonna ask for Archie, the security?
okay, Archie the security.
Archie, the security guy.
All right, y'all have a good night. All right, drive
AKA
safe.
Top Flight.
Oh, the world.
Top
Fred.
Flight.
Okay, so if y'all come to Taste, ask for our homie Archie.
You gotta say Taste in Houston because we finna have a Taste in Atlanta too.
Oh, Taste in Houston. Even though y'all already know I'm in Houston. You going to Atlanta?
I'm the man.
Oh, okay, you're gonna be right here, so they gonna know when they come to Houston. Where we
I get off at 3.
You get off at 3.
Okay, we're gonna be asleep by 3. Remember earlier you said we're 30 years old, so we're gonna be
Right,
asleep.
you know.
It's bedtime.
It's 12:46.
Oh yeah, y'all finna, as soon as y'all touch the inside, see that way y'all gonna
No, we're not going to bed. Oh, see, the lighting is better this way.
You don't need to go to bed, man. It's
No, I was just joking. I was just joking.
I got some friends, you got some friends, shit, we can be friends. Shit, maybe we can do this on the weekend. Shit.
You gotta work tomorrow.
Yeah.
He gonna be here.
He
He gonna be here telling people, if y'all just standing in line, y'all standing in line for no reason.
Was that rude to me?
It was.
At least I came back there and got y'all.
I ain't like. Yeah, you came. No, we came to the front of the line.
Oh, see, oh yeah, y'all was.
Yeah, you did.
Other motherfuckers. See, when I first seen y'all walk up, y'all walked straight to the back. I'm like,
We did, and you watched
I
us.
was finna kinda come get her, but you know, shit. Oh, that's
Wow.
look how smart you talking about. Record that.
You want to repeat it?
Repeat that, Archie.
I can't repeat that. I'm on a car.
I thought so.
You see, y'all gotta go. Y'all bring a whole different nigga out of me. I said, nigga,
You was waiting on us to come back, please.